Hi, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. Today's video is going to be 50 summer crochet ideas. Now, I've done videos like this in the past, not so much recently, but I'm probably going to be doing more of these just depending on how things go. Before we jump right into it, if any of these patterns or tutorials are yours and you do not want them to be in this video, please message me, leave a comment down below or message me directly on Instagram and I will take it out of the video. Please do not report it to YouTube. If you report it to YouTube, it will take the entire video down. It will not just take the little section out. So if you see your pattern and you do not want the advertisement in this video, please message me directly and I will take it out. And it will be a lot easier on both of us because I can take it out sooner than YouTube can deal with it. And yeah, it's a lot better of a way to do that. Okay, so now that that's out of the way, I did get some feedback on my 50 crochet idea videos from last year that some of the links were broken or the links didn't go where I thought they went, or they just kind of looked like scammy websites. So I spent the extra time on this one to go to every single link and find the source link to each pattern so you don't have to go through any of the scammy ad stuff. So they will be way better links this time. And there are not only 50, but there are 52 patterns in this video. And out of those 52, 47 of them are free and 5 of them are paid. So most of them are free. Only 5 of them are paid. So definitely, I'm trying to get better at these videos, you guys. I'm taking your feedback and I'm trying to spend more time sourcing these patterns. So hopefully it pays off and you guys like what you see, okay? So for this video, we have 5 categories. We have bags, decor, clothing, accessories, and miscellaneous. So before we get into the first category, everything I'm showing you is listed in the description box below, a link to a free or paid written or video tutorial so that you can make literally any of the things I'm showing you. They're all linked down in the description box, okay? In the order that I say it. So let's jump right into our first category, which is bags. Alright, so right off the bat, we have this really cute net sling bag, okay? It's very market bag style. It's very flea market. It's very cute. It's beginner friendly. Super simple, super easy. You can make it with 100% cotton yarn so that it's easier to wash if you're planning on getting it dirty often. But super cute. This one is a free video tutorial for my video tutorial girlies out there. So that one's always a good option. A market bag is always a good option. And the next bag I have is this crochet flower tote bag, which is made out of flower granny squares, and it's another free YouTube video tutorial. Super cute. Even if you watched this video and you kind of get the idea of how to make these granny square bags, you can even substitute that flower granny square for other granny squares as well. The third bag that I have for you is this really bright and colorful granny square style market bag. I love this one. It's another free one, and this one I believe is a written pattern, but I'm also sure that there's a video tutorial that goes along with it. But yeah, another free one, super cute. This one has parchment paper in it, but you can literally put anything in it. Cute little on-the-go bag, beginner friendly. And we have this really fun seashell bag, another beginner friendly crochet pattern. It's super simple and it's so perfect. I literally was looking for summery bags and I came across this one and I was like, that is such a good idea. Like, people make tote bag beach bags for like your picnic stuff and your snacks and your things that you're gonna watch or do on the beach, but no one really thinks about making a crocheted seashell bag, whether it's for you or for your kids. It's like literally such a good idea. I love this. And honestly, I think it'd be a good seller too if you're planning on doing any markets near beaches. definitely a good seller. Another free video tutorial is this crochet star-shaped bag. Super cute, and depending on the colors, you can really make it summery and bright and vibrant, or you could even make it more dark green colors and like auburns for fall later in the season if you're a slow crocheter. But yeah, another beginner friendly. This one's really fun because you can kind of try out some new stitches. If you've only ever done one stitch before, this is a good project to kind of practice your stitching on, and practicing learning how to count and stay consistent with your rows, or else you're not going to end up with a star. So that one's a really cool one too. You can also make this granny square kind of style beach tote bag, another free one, super cute. You can make this similar to that one. You can make this drawstring bag if drawstrings are more your style over tote bags, another free one. And if you're more the clean girl aesthetic or the it girl aesthetic, you can make this shoulder bag. Super simple, super small. Definitely if you like crocheting, I want to say that's single crochets. So if you're more into, you only really know a few limited stitches, this is going to be for you. Super cute. And that's all we have for bags, so let's jump into our decor category. So for decor, we have this flower shawl. Yes, it is a shawl pattern. Paige, why'd you put a shawl pattern in the decor section? Well, because I saw this picture, okay? For one, it's free. Two, I saw this picture and I was like, that would be so cute as like a curtain or like a door drape sheet kind of thing. So I was looking at it more in a decor sense than a wearable. So you could make a shawl, but in the decor side, I think I'm going to do this for my room, so I'm adding it to the decor section. You can also make this really fun sun-shaped rug. Cute for summer, cute for getting the sand off your toes before you come inside. Also free. And you can make this one. This is our first paid pattern of the video, and it's these strawberry coasters that when put together literally make a strawberry. Okay, look at the detail. It's worth the money. It's worth being a paid pattern, okay? But that one is also an option. And that's all I have for decor. Very limited selection, but that's because the next category, which is clothing, has way more, probably the most out of all the categories for this video. So let's dive into clothing, shall we? So the first one I have for clothing is this sleeveless triangle top, okay? This is a free YouTube video tutorial. I love it. Depending on the type of yarn you use, it can be really breezy or it can be more heavy weighted. It's up to you, but super cute and looks like beginner friendly. The next one I have is this tie front top. I love it, okay? It's a free YouTube tutorial. It's got that, it's like, how do I explain this pattern in the front? It looks really difficult, but it's not a difficult stitch. No, I know those stitches and it's not difficult, but if you're new and you kind of want to have something that's like, oh look, it looks really hard to make, but it isn't that hard to make, definitely go make this. And then we have this really cute flower top. If you're more of a halter top, show a little mid tummy section area, kind of like I want more of my back showing, I want my tan shown off, I want my back tattoo on full display, then this flower top is for you. Another free YouTube tutorial. You're welcome. Now this next top is a paid written pattern, and it's the bubbles top. I love this bubble stitch. It's really cute. It's not a difficult stitch to master, so if you're a beginner, I'm pretty sure you can handle this. Maybe if you have a project or two under your belt, but definitely beginner friendly. I love it. You can probably even extend it past just as like a top, a super cropped look. You could probably extend it a little more if you want to, but super cute regardless. And then we have this free YouTube tutorial for a bell sleeve top, which I think I even have bell sleeves on. These are bell sleeves. But yeah, super cute for my 70s boho hippie summer girls, okay? Depending on the material you use will depend on whether it's good for summer or good for winter. So that's up to you, but super cute. And this one, I stumbled across this one. It's a free YouTube video. I stumbled across it and I literally was like, I had to stop because what? It is a full dress for summer. It's a dress. How often do I give you guys dress suggestions for summer? Never, because there aren't any good ones that I've found until I stumbled across this one. It's free. I love it. Go make it, and please tag me on Instagram if you do, because I want to see your creations, okay? This one is a cute little kind of cardigan top, kind of like you're wearing a strapless or a spaghetti strap and it's chilly after dark, or you're on the beach at night and you're like, oh, I just need a little bit of something, but not too much because it's summer, so it's hot. That's the vibe of this one, and I love it. And that one's also free video tutorial as well. Now, this kind of striped boho halter top, super cute, free video tutorial. And then I didn't forget about you, my goth girlies, my punk girlies, my alternative girlies, okay? Every time I make one of these videos, you guys get in the comments and you're like, you forgot about the goth girls, you forgot about the punk girls. I didn't forget about you. You're right here with this beautiful free video tutorial for a Lilith top, okay? Go strut your stuff for summer in your dark colors, okay? Slay, slay. And then, if you really like to show your back, here's this backless top video tutorial, okay? And if you're like, Paige, less is more when it comes to my summer wardrobe, okay? Then make this easy summer tube top. I have everything for you, you know? Goth, full coverage, no coverage, less coverage, more coverage. There you go. Go watch this video tutorial. Make one, okay? I dare you. I dare you. And then we've got this crisscross wrapped top. I love this because you can kind of really play around with it, with how big you want the coverage, how less coverage you want. It pushes the girls together, makes them look really good, so I like this one. Now this one is another open back, but it's more of an open back baby tee look, if that's the look you're going for. Another free YouTube video. And then we have another free YouTube video, but for shorts, because I've only really been giving you tops and dresses. So there you go, shorts. Shorts. I am actually going to be doing this in a future video, so stay tuned for that. But I am going to be making this one. And then we have this gorgeous Ivy maxi dress. This one's a paid pattern for those of you who want to spend a little bit of money on a pattern. This one, it's gorge. It's got the leg split. I can't tell if the leg is split on the other side. It might be, but it's got a little leg split. It's got like a tank top style. It's fresh. It's flowy. It's netted. Cute. Definitely a long project, but you can do it. And then we have the free lunar tunic for my witchy, fairy, hippie in the forest this summer girls. This one's for you. And then if that other dress really wasn't your style, I have this Better World dress that might be more your style. It's more frolic in the woods, be in the forest this summer kind of vibe. So maybe check that one out if the other one didn't really suit your vibe. Then you can make this kind of scrunched in the front, cropped, kind of tube top like summer top. Another free video tutorial. Or you can make this blue Annabelle kind of boho, flowy top to go over your swimsuit this summer. Or even this kind of swimsuit cover up. Super cute. It's the South Beach cover up. It's adorable. It doesn't look that difficult to make. I think as a beginner you could definitely swing it, but I love this look. And then of course we have a two-tone shrug. Very similar to the one I'm wearing. Super cute. Another free one. Go make one for yourself this summer. And then if you're a light layer girly, we have a light layer tank top with more loose stitching like this one. Another free one. Or we have this shell-like stitch little vest for you this summer. And then, similar to the other one I showed you, but this one doesn't have a slit. And instead of being like tank top on the front, it has short sleeves, which is this Aunt Lydia's dress. So same kind of mesh style, but different top and different bottom, no slit opening, and a little more coverage on the shoulders if that's your thing. This one's free as well. Then you can make this poncho tank top if tank tops are more your style, or even this like halter striped summer tank top. Or you can not go pay $40 for your swimsuit and actually make your own bikini this summer with this free pattern. Or you can make this really cute wavy electric sun tee style top. This one's a free video tutorial as well. Or you can make this really cool like open top. I don't really know how else to describe this. Summer breeze top. It's open, you let the summer breeze in. That kind of vibe. that is all we have for clothing, so let's jump right into the accessories category. So for accessories, we have this flower headband, which is a free written tutorial, which I myself have made several of these for my market, so definitely beginner friendly. Honestly, I love it because you can use pretty much any type of yarn with it, so that's pretty cool. You can make a striped bucket hat. The sun is moving around the room, so it's like messing with my lighting over here. Well, I just moved the curtain, so now I look a little more orange, but we're just going to go with it. So you can make a striped bucket hat or even a simple bucket hat if stripes aren't your thing, because they're not my thing. So I wanted to give you guys an option to not have stripes on your hat. You can also make this really cute granny square flower headband or even this boho style headband, but I actually used this pattern and made a belt because there is a belt option. So if you're kind of like boho belts, or hippie, either or. They're both free and it's beginner friendly. Or you can make this daisy granny square bandana or this whimsy head wrap, which is a free video tutorial, and I'm pretty sure she also has a written tutorial as well. I have made this before and I do love it, so I definitely recommend that one, especially if you have big curly hair. It looks so good on people with like very hair with a lot of volume. It didn't look as good on me because my hair, as you can tell, doesn't have a lot of volume, but if I had big curly hair, I'd probably wear it more, but it's super, super cute. And then the last one for our accessories is this sunglass case, which you can kind of make out of any granny square, but this is a paid pattern, so if you want these ones specifically, go check that pattern out. And that is all I have for you for accessories, so let's jump into the miscellaneous category. For miscellaneous, we have these really fun pool floaty cozies, adorable and free. We also have these really fun ice pop like covers. It's good for if you have kids or if you just don't like holding a cold ice pop for yourself, okay? There's no age limit to have an ice pop cover, so that one's cool and also free. And another free one is these butterfly dishcloths. Adorable. I'm adding this here because I will be making this for summer because I love them. I might not even use them as dishcloths. I might just hang them on my wall. And last but not least, our 50-second pattern for the video. We have this picnic blanket pattern. If you spend a lot of time outside on the ground doing summer picnics, taking your kids to the park, or going out with your significant other or by yourself or whatever, then definitely check out this pattern. It is paid, but look how cute. Look how cute it is. Adorable. Adorable. So that is all I have for you for all 52 of our summer crochet ideas, okay? Most of these were beginner friendly, all but 5 were free, so if you are interested in any of these, they're all linked down in the description box below in the order that I said it, linked to a paid or free written or video tutorial so that you can make whatever I showed you on the screen, okay? I'm also going to have all of them pinned in a Pinterest board if you use Pinterest or you just want a place for all of them to be. That Pinterest board is also linked down in the description box below. If there's another video you want me to do similar to this one, comment down below, but also go check my channel because I've probably already done it because I've done a summer video before. If you watch this whole video and you're like, girl, I need another 50 ideas, help me, go watch my summer video from last year. There are 50 more ideas that are different than these ones, so go check that one out if this one was enough for you. If you did find something to make, comment down below what you're going to make. I'm curious, and follow me over on Instagram because every month I'm doing a giveaway over there. So if you want the chance to win something, last month I gave away a yarn winder. The month before that it was a crochet kit. I'm planning on giving away a steamer at some point, so definitely go over there, follow me on Instagram so you don't miss the giveaways, okay? And other than that, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel for more content. Let me know if there's any problems with any of the links. I will fix them. And again, if any of these are yours and you're upset that they're in this video, please message me directly on Instagram, okay? Do not open a claim with YouTube. It makes both of our lives hell, okay? It will make both of our lives suck. So just message me directly and I will take it down the moment I see the message. So you don't even have to wait for YouTube to look at it, okay? Okay? Thank you, Pookie. I love you. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.